Hello viewers, I'm in Santa Paula, California, and I want to show you some before and after pictures of the St. Francis Dam destruction. So I'm looking down over the city of Santa Paula right here, and right out there is the Santa Clara River, and way out there is the ocean. And let me show you a picture of after the dam broke. It looked like that's when all the water came through, about a half mile up, and that building right there would be that building that's right there. It's actually, that's a new building in front of it. I'll show you. Show you on the map here. Okay, that's straight ahead. That building is that one right there. That's a new building. That building wasn't there when the dam came through, but that little building right there is. And you can't see it from here, it's behind that. This is the highest I could get up. So what it is, the water came through about 3 o'clock here. It would have came from this direction here to the Santa Clara riverbed, and then just flooded the town of Santa Paula here, and then just headed out towards the ocean. And this picture here should be that the part where it turns right there, kind of S-curves right there. That would be right back out that way. Anyway, there you go. Just some more St. Francis Dam, the destruction when it came through Santa Paula here about 3 in the morning. And so that would be probably the right of the morning after. And then here's your present day. There you go. Some more St. Francis Dam stuff. Some more of the disaster left behind by the dam break. Alright, thanks for watching.